Hey guys, what if I say AI will comment for you to build your LinkedIn connection? How would you feel? You won't believe it, right? Now it's possible with the Chrome extension. Okay, but I won't tell you the Chrome extension name right now. So let's see how it gonna work. So now you have to go to the post where you want to comment and you will see the extension beside to your comment. So let's go. So I want to comment on okay, let me find this one. Okay, not this one. Yeah, this one. So go to the comment section and now you can see to the right side of the comment it will show you this thing. And one more thing, it will also tell you what type of comment you want to comment on this particular post. Like it should be friendly, it should be funny, it should be disagree, anything. Means it will manage the tone of your comment. So I would say like funny. Now this extension will analyze the entire post to generate different type of comments. So you can see it's already generating the comment after the analyzing it. Okay, so I would really suggest you to install this extension and boost your reach, and do subscribe for more videos to the Brogrammer. Okay, sorry, I forget to tell you the name of the extension. Oh, see, basically the name of extension is this one, engage.ai. So you will find it on the Chrome extension. Just go to the Google and type engage AI Chrome extension and go here and you can add directly. Okay, so that was for today's video. If you like it, do subscribe, do like the video and follow us or subscribe us for more videos. Thank you.